Hello everyone! Welcome back to Soul Garden, where we explore simple, natural, and highly effective ways to care for houseplants, especially the Anthurium, a plant that exudes elegance, sophistication, and vibrant vitality. In today's video, I will share with you a homemade organic fertilizer recipe that is incredibly simple yet delivers results beyond expectations. This recipe not only helps the plant thrive from within, but also promotes new root growth, nurtures thick green leaves, and most importantly, encourages Anthuriums to bloom uniformly with vibrant, long-lasting flowers that don't fade quickly like when using chemical fertilizers. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language, comment below, and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Let's get started. First, I prepare 1 liter of clean water. You can use tap water left overnight, filtered water, or rainwater. Clean water is the foundation for all nutrients to dissolve evenly and be easily absorbed by the plant. The recipe lies in the molasses, a natural catalyst that awakens the hidden vitality within each root. Next, I add 1 teaspoon of molasses, a natural ingredient rich in minerals, particularly beneficial for nourishing beneficial microorganisms in the soil. These microorganisms help break down organic matter, improve soil structure, and enhance the root system's nutrient absorption, making the plant healthy from root to tip. Joining the recipe next is vitamin B1, a small but quietly powerful helper, acting as a catalyst to kickstart the journey of recovery and regeneration for the root system. The next ingredient is vitamin B1. I use 2 small tablets or about 2 milliliters of liquid solution. B1 is an essential nutrient, helping the plant absorb nutrients better, grow healthily, and stabilize growth, especially during periods of vigorous growth or when the plant needs recovery after being neglected for a while. After adding all the ingredients, I stir thoroughly to ensure the mixture dissolves completely, creating a gentle, safe liquid fertilizer for both young and mature plants. Anthuriums are very sensitive to strong chemical fertilizers, but absolutely love natural, gentle, and consistent nourishment like this. Method 1. Misting. After completing the mixture of molasses and vitamin B1, I pour the solution into a spray bottle with a fine mist nozzle and shake gently to ensure all components blend perfectly into each other. With this solution, I will mist evenly on both the upper and lower surfaces of the leaves, around the stem, and near the base of the plant, especially in the early morning or late afternoon. These are the ideal times for the plant to absorb nutrients through its leaves without worrying about sunburn or nutrient evaporation. The misting method is particularly beneficial for Anthuriums. Providing nutrients directly through the leaves helps keep the plant not only alive, but also healthy, lush, and quick to recover. The molasses in the solution is a wonderful natural energy source, nourishing beneficial microorganisms that adhere to the leaf surface and around the root zone. Vitamin B1 stimulates new root growth and regenerates damaged tissues, helping the plant recover strongly after disturbances. You only need to maintain this method consistently 2 to 3 times a week. You can also use this recipe for orchids, especially Phalaenopsis orchids. The results may not come immediately, but after a few weeks of patient care, you will be amazed by the fresh beauty and vibrant vitality this method brings. Method 2. Watering the base. After misting the plant, I will use the remaining solution to water directly at the base, a way to nourish from deep within, providing a solid foundation for the plant's long-term growth. Watering the base is an excellent method to deliver essential nutrients to the root system, especially for Anthuriums, an elegant flower that is also highly sensitive to environmental changes. The molasses in the mixture not only nourishes microorganisms, but also helps improve soil structure, retains moisture better, and creates a nutrient-rich natural environment for the roots. Meanwhile, vitamin B1 supports the growth of new roots, enhances water and mineral absorption, helping the plant not only survive, but thrive, becoming greener and fresher every day. For orchids, watering the base with this recipe also yields positive results. The delicate orchid roots will gain strength, gradually recover, and start reaching out for new sources of life. Watering the base should be done 1 to 2 times a week in the early morning or late afternoon, and avoid watering when the soil is still wet. After some time, you will notice the plant producing new shoots, healthy roots, and, most notably, flowers blooming evenly with vibrant colors that last longer. By combining both misting and base watering, you are providing the plant with comprehensive care, nourishing both the leaves and the roots, to keep Anthuriums vibrant, healthy, and full of vitality, just like the love you pour into your little garden. Method 3. Wiping leaves. After watering the plant, I will prepare a soft cotton pad, thoroughly soaked with the solution of molasses combined with vitamin B1. I spend a few more minutes gently wiping each leaf, a seemingly simple action, but one of the most refined gestures you can offer your plant. For Anthuriums, the large, glossy leaves that reflect light like a mirror are prone to dust or water droplets after misting. If not cared for properly, excess water can create an environment for fungal diseases to develop, causing the leaves to lose their natural shine. At this moment, the Anthurium is not only cleaned but also cherished. The leaves, after being wiped, become glossy, smooth, and brimming with vitality. Wiping dry also helps remove fine dust particles on the surface, clearing the way for the leaves to absorb light better, enhancing photosynthesis efficiency, and promoting natural metabolic processes. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. For plants like Phalaenopsis orchids, I am extra careful when wiping. Orchid leaves are softer and thinner, so I only wipe the upper surface, gently as if touching a butterfly's wing. Cleaning orchid leaves also helps prevent leaf diseases, keeping the green vibrant and standing out among the delicate, radiant flowers. Wiping leaves is a slow, meditative moment that helps you connect deeply with your garden and yourself. As long as you take the time, the plant will respond with enduring vitality and pure beauty in its own unique way. Results. With this organic fertilizer I prepared myself, you can easily notice the difference in each Anthurium pot. New roots, ivory white, plump, and round, are reaching out, asserting that the plant is recovering exceptionally well, not just healthier, but brimming with life energy. Have you noticed? As the root system develops, the plant's leaves also begin to change, thicker, glossier, and noticeably greener. And when conditions are right, the Anthurium flowers will start to bloom profusely, each petal smooth, thick, vibrant with color, and retaining its freshness for a long time on the stem. Not only Anthuriums, the Phalaenopsis orchids in the garden also start producing new roots with glossier and healthier leaves. Each plant has its own way of responding, but there's one thing in common when given proper care. Plants always know how to give back. How do you feel about the way I care for these plant pots? For me, caring for plants is not just a technique. It's a journey of listening, understanding, and bonding. Every time I see a plant bloom or produce new roots, I feel like receiving a small gift from nature. If you find today's video helpful, please help me spread this message by pressing like to support the spirit of natural gardening, sharing the video with those who also care for plants every day, and subscribing to the Soul Garden channel to continue this journey of nurturing your garden and nurturing yourself. See you in the next video, where each leaf will tell a new story and each flower will be a gentle greeting from this beloved garden.